And this is how a pileup looks like. A lot of people calling, and I'm unable to decode at least one of the station. Many of them. Okay, I got this. Let's answer him. Yeah, he got me. Yep. That's locked. Now the pileup started again. I have locked the reading RX window here. If I catch the same station twice, I confirm that the call sign is correct. I think this should be correct. R2CA. Okay, this is better. Okay, let's go with this. Sierra Victor 8 Delta Charlie Yankee. Now let's see what he says. Call him once more. Yeah, that's a thank you. That's done. I will log that and over to next. Yeah, I got this fella. Let's not waste time, otherwise the pileup will run away. I didn't copy his report. Yeah, now he gives 14. Yeah, that's correct, that's 14. Now say thank you and log him, and then QRZ. Noise has started, the band may be changing. Let's give a CQ once more. Okay, I got this. Yankee Tango 2 United. Now let's catch him. No. Give once more. Yeah, he got me. Log that and now go to this one. Yeah, that call Sierra Quebec 2 Whiskey Hotel is a bit strong, and his without any error the call sign is copied. So yeah, that's good. 15, and I say thank you to him and save the log. Yeah, that's fine. Give CQ once more. I think the pileup is gone now. Yeah, people have started answering. Let's see what decode we have, and that was a pileup. You see, that didn't decode in any call signs. Even though there is stations, the decode is very bad. So let's wait. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, Echo Sierra 4 Radio Delta. I think he didn't hear in the pileup. I'm answering him again. Yeah, there he is. He got me. Say thank you and log. Over to next. No call sign. Okay, one call sign, but I doubt that. Let's see if anybody is coming back. No, let's give a CQ. Yeah, I got Radio Tango 6. Oh no, Delta India, the error. Let's give a call again. This call sign had error. It was not a correct decode, so I will wait for the next try. Let's call CQ again. Maybe conditions may change over time. Okay, I'm hearing something. No, come on. Oh, why name? Why this fellow gives name and QTH? I think he's not in the contest. Okay, I think I should give call to this fellow. RT6DI. Because I heard it thrice here, twice. What does he say? Yeah. Oh, he got me. Yeah, thank you. I logged in. You see? So funny and exciting. This is the CQ World Wide RTTY Contest, by the way. And I'm on 15 meters this afternoon. It's lunch break, but I cannot have food because I'm in a pileup. I cannot get up from the chair, so I'm starving right now. I can't lose this chance. Oh, what's this? Hotel Alpha Zero, Hotel Whiskey. Yeah, I copied him many times, so let's see, let's answer him. Yep. Okay. Oh, he will copy me easily. He was quite strong there. Yeah, he copied me quite well. Thank you. And saved. I hope this video doesn't become so long. It's 8 minutes on this video. Just showing you how easy and exciting this RTTY contest is. Yeah, I got him. Oh, he gave it 4 times. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nice. I mean, you don't make mistakes in the call signs here. Say thank you to him. Log him without fail. Sierra Victor 1 Charlie November Sierra. Yeah, there you are. I'll give call to him. Yo. You got me. Oh, come on. He didn't. He gave his call sign twice. Or maybe pileup. He's not copying me. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you and save it. He said thank you to me. Yeah. He gave a report and said thank you. So, it's my mistake. What do we have? No call sign. Yeah, I have something here. Hotel Alpha 3, but it is only once. I want it twice. Let's give a CQ. Let's give CQ and see who comes. I hope this video is not so shaky. It's my mobile. Yeah, I got it. And this video, by the way, will go to YouTube on my channel. Oh, come on. Hotel Alpha 3 Juliet Bravo. I hope I'm copying him correctly. Yeah, he got me there. Say thank you and log in. Oh, and I reached my 400 mark. My dream. It's a record again for me to reach 400 for first time. And who is this? Radio 7 Tango. Yeah, I copied him. Let's answer him. Radio 7 Tango Uniform. Yeah, that was easy. That was easy. And down the log. Oh, Echo to X-ray. Nice call sign. I love this call sign. Yeah, thank you, mate. Delta. Oh, again got a pile up, you see. Actually, I locked this here. You should lock it, otherwise this keeps on moving. Oh, nice. Let's give a call to him. Echo Whiskey 8 Delta X-ray. Thank you, yeah. You copied me. Down the log. Pileup? Yup. That's a pileup. You see? Come on. Yankee Tango 8 Alpha. Ah, okay. Okay, that's fine. Yep, he got me. Yeah, thanks. Down the log. This is Radio 3 Bravo Bravo. Okay, got him. Okay, thank you, and down the log. What is that? Echo to X-ray. Okay. Oh, he's a duplicate here. Oh, he's a dupe. Oh. Oh, why he's answering me? Yeah, he's answering me. I don't know. Let's answer him too. You know, maybe his log has an issue. You see, I made contacts before also with him, but he may not have had it saved. Okay, let's save him. Instead of rejecting the entry, let's save it so that the earlier entry may go waste, but at least you have a valid log in the book. Oh, I don't know. Sira Papa. A lot of pile up. See different kinds of call signs. There's really a huge one. Can't even decode. Okay, okay, 2. Okay, oh my god. UHP, yeah. Let's answer him. Okay, 2 UHP, Uniform Hotel Papa. He will catch me, fine. QSL. 16 minutes into this video. I don't want to keep it long, but I like to show you how it's done. Now you see here the spectrum, the waterfall. It's all crowded. I'm here, right here. Oh my god. Oh, come on, man. Why this fella is giving QTH? Oh, I think I should QSY. My frequency is hijacked. You are answering to someone else. Do you see here? I don't know. Yeah. Yankee Uniform 1, Uniform November. Let's see. I just answered him. And he caught me. Yeah, say thank you to him and log. Oh, this is call sign. Cyprus. Wow. What is this? 5 Bravo 4 Alpha India Foxtrot. What's going wrong? What's happening here? Am I there? Is this my place where I give CQ? I think I'm hijacked. Let's say thank you and log this. I think he gave a reply here to me. I'll save him. Yeah. Who's this? Oh, this is what? Who? I think I should end this video here. It's been 18 minutes. That's what I wanted to show you during a pileup. It's very difficult to take the calls, and I have the spider quad antenna running almost 350-400 watts into it with this Kenwood and the Embrytron. So that's it. 7 threes, and have a nice day. Bye bye. This is VU2 Zulu Mike Kilo signing off.